बचपन में आपने कई कहानियां सुनी होंगी जिसमें होती है एक राजकुमारी और उसे मिलता है परदेश का राजकुमार। मुंबई की रहने वाली प्रीति प्रधान भी ऐसी ही कहानियां सुनते सुनते बड़ी हुई हैं, लेकिन बड़ा होने पर ये कहानियां उनके लिए सच हो गई। मुंबई की प्रीति को परदेश में मिला अपना प्रीत। ये असली प्रेम कहानी है प्रीति और पीटर की।
प्रीति रवि प्रधान महाराष्ट्र में रहने वाली, जॉब के लिए फिलहाल अमेरिका के सैन फ्रांसिस्को में रहती है। पीटर मोबर्ग स्वीडन का है। ये भी नौकरी के लिए अमेरिका के सैन फ्रांसिस्को में रहता है। दोनों अलग अलग देश के रहने वाले, अलग अलग भाषा बोलने वाले, दो अलग समाज, दो अलग संस्कृति से आने वाले ये दोनों अब एक हो गए हैं। इनकी शादी हो गई है। चेंबूर जिमखाना में कुछ दिन पहले यानी 7 फरवरी को प्रीति और पीटर की शादी हुई है। महाराष्ट्रीयन पद्धति से शादी की गई। हल्दी, मेहंदी, संगीत सब महाराष्ट्रीयन तरीके से। शादी में रुखवन भी रखा गया। प्रीति की बारात तो परदेश से आई और शादी में दुनिया भर से मेहमान शामिल हुए। इंग्लैंड, अमेरिका, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, कनाडा, स्विट्जरलैंड से प्रीति और पीटर के दोस्त हिंदुस्तानी शादी देखने आए और खुद भी भारतीय रंग में रंग गए। कहते हैं जब दिल मिल जाए तो न दूरियां मायने रखती हैं, न बंधन और न ही सरहदें। प्रीति और पीटर की प्रेम कहानी भी इसी की मिसाल है। न्यूज़ डेस्क TV9।
चले, प्रीति और पीटर दोनों ही हमारे साथ हैं। मैनी कांग्रेचुलेशन टू बोथ ऑफ यू। सबसे पहले प्रीति, पहला सवाल आपसे है, कैसे मिले आप पीटर से?
Peter and I met in California when he was working in the United States for a year and I had finished my schooling at UC Berkeley. So we met through some mutual friends through the Scandinavian organization.
Okay. Peter, what is this one thing that you will made your mind that you are going to marry an Indian girl?
Well, say when I first met Preeti, I didn't really think about that, but I treated her like a Western girl, and it grew on me that she was Indian, and I learned about the culture, and it was an amazing experience to learn all this and to become part of the Indian culture.
And you both are now many attraction, मतलब आप दोनों के बीच में कहीं ना कहीं attraction है, लोगों के attraction आप लोगों के प्रति है। आपको लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं आप इसको handle कर रहे हैं? Everybody attracts to you, you know?
Yeah, I mean, I'm very lucky to have a lot of friends and everyone who's come here for us and to have an Indian wedding and to be with Peter and his family here.
ओके। और जो इंटरकास्ट मैरिजेस होती हैं उसको हैंडल करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल होता है कि ये?
Yes, it is hard to be inter-ethnic, inter-religious, and it's kind of becoming common in America and in Europe, but of course there's a lot of hurdles you have to go through, and it's about being very accepting of the other person and the other side, and of course them of you, and having a lot of support from family and friends. We had a little bit of a tough time at the beginning. We didn't tell everyone at first that we were together. We kind of held it from my mom back a little bit, but when we realized we really wanted to be together, we introduced my mom to Peter, and she really took to him very quickly, and you know, race or religion or ethnicity and languages, you know, stopped mattering when you don't care, when you just are looking at someone as who they are.
Okay. Peter, you are Swedish and Preeti is Indian. How you going to bridge this gap, this cultural gap?
How are we going to bridge this culture gap? Well, we've started off now by bringing my entire family here to India, and they've learned a lot about the Indian culture. They've really embraced it. I think some of them are ready to move here today and stay here, basically. We're Preeti's mom will visit us in Stockholm, and I hope the rest of her family will come and see us. And it will be a lot of fun.
और स्वीडिश कल्चर आपको अपनाने में कितना परेशानी हुई? स्वीडिश कल्चर?
Yes. Swedish culture it's very different from American and Indian culture. It's a little bit more formal. It's a Northern European culture, but it's somewhere where I live today, and I love it. And you learn to be a little bit different. You accept what's also Swedish, just as Peter has come to accept what's Indian, and being in India and how things work in India, I also have accepted and learned to love a lot of things and how they work in Sweden.
Okay, Peter, you are Swedish and your wife is Indian. Have you? Many people are attracted towards you. Have you handled this situation?
Many people are
attracted towards this situation. Your relationship.
Sorry, I don't think I understand the question.
There is you have in relationship with Preeti now, and many people you are attraction center of attraction of many people. How you handle this situation?
Well, it's been difficult. I'm not used to having this kind of enormous attraction as it's been, and this wedding, 4 days, were different from what we're used to in the West. But Preeti's family has been very supportive. They've told me everything about the ceremonies and what's going to happen, and they inform my families what they need to do and when they need to do everything. So it's been going fine.
थैंक यू पीटर, थैंक यू प्रीति। तो ये थे प्रीति और पीटर जिनकी शादी हुई है और सपनों का राजकुमार मिला है प्रीति को पीटर में। लेकिन यहाँ पर एक छोटा सा ब्रेक, जल्द लौटते हैं, आप रहिए साथ।